Hey YouTube, welcome again to the mini Twitter project. Let's review what we have done so far together. We have created getMainTweets action method that returns all the tweet with the users, getComments that return all the comments for a specific tweet by ID, and getTweetById that gets the detail of a single tweet by ID. Today we are going to create the create method and the edit method. Let's write public HTTP. I would like to show you the HTTP response action method type, and let's name it create. Let's name it create. Of course, this will be HTTP post, and the route will be API tweets create. Okay, sorry. The user will post a tweet, let's name it, of type tweet. Now we need to add some validation. For example, if this tweet has an empty content or empty body, we should return an error message to the user: you can't post an empty tweet. Let's do, for example, if string is null or empty. Let's use it is null or white space, because there is nothing such thing like posting a tweet with only spaces. So if null or white space tweet dot content. So what should happen if the user posted a content empty? We should return request dot create error response with HTTP status code dot bad request, and the exception message should be tweet cannot be empty. This type of return is a type of HTTP response message, and this is a new thing I talk about it today. Okay, else what if the tweet, else what if the tweet is not empty? Then let's do a try and catch. If you don't know, I'm using a snippet. I'm just writing try. Let's do it again. I'm writing try, then I'm pressing the tab button twice and try and catch for me. Let's say var tweet equal new tweet functions. Let's create an object from the tweet function class. Then I'm sorry, we can't use two objects with the same name. Let's name it tweet function, and from tweet function let's call the create function that we should create it at this class. We didn't create it yet. Let's name it, for example, create tweet. We didn't create it yet. just let me finish this action method. Okay, then we should get, of course, a message from request.create response and http status code created. This is like a success message, and send message dot headers dot location equal new URI, and send here the request URI plus tweet ID as a string. So what we have did here, at this method we didn't create yet, we inserted the new tweet coming from the user to the database. We should return a success message to the we should send the success message again. So we created a variable called message, and from request.create response we created a response called created. Then we should send to the header and location our tweet ID plus the request URI. Then we should return, we saved all this stuff at the message, we should then return the message. If there is an exception, let's for now throw new exception. Of course, this is the not best way to throw an exception, but this is not our deal for now. I'm almost done, nothing left but creating this method at tweet functions class. Let's create method. I'm going to navigate to this method by pressing F12. Of course, we need to add here our tweet object. Delete this because this is without an object, and let's start writing our code. It should be first public void tweet if this tweet null. Let's for now throw an exception. And say, for example, tweet not initialized, else here will be saving at the database. So we need to using this. We already did. Okay. First we need to save the post date, so let's create date equal datetime dot now. So each post will take the current time for the post, and then from database tweet entity, click add, then add the tweet, and then db.save changes, and here we go. We finish now the create method of the tweet. I think it's easy. The only new stuff we used is HTTP response message, and that's it. At our next video we will create the post method, so keep watching and learning.